Welcome back. In this video, we'll go over how to set up your listing loop when you're representing both the buyer and the seller in a dual agency transaction. At Key Realty, we ask that all of the paperwork, the listing documents and the sales documents, be kept together in the same loop. This keeps the transaction organized, makes compliance review smoother, and ensures everything is in one place. From inside your listing loop, first, you will want to choose View Details. We need to add our buyers to the people in the loop. Once inside the View Details screen, you will want to add your buyers to this loop by selecting Add Person. If they are purchasing with financing, you will also want to add their lender to the loop at this time. You will not be able to add yourself as the buyer's agent, though. You will need to manually assign buyer agent fields to yourself in documents so that you can sign them when necessary. Once you have added everyone that needs added to the loop, you can click the Back to Loops button at the top of the screen. Once you have filled in the additional loop details for your buyer, you are ready to add documents for your buyers. If you have already started the purchase paperwork in another loop, you will want to go to that buyer purchase loop, select the documents you need for this purchase, and copy them to the listing loop into the sales processing folder. To copy your buyer documents from their buyer purchase loop, go to their buyer purchase loop or buyer agency loop. Select the documents you wish to make a copy of for their purchase, and select Make a Copy. The Make a Copy window will open. On the Make a Copy window, Dotloop will ask if you want to maintain the copy as a Dotloop document or if you would like a straight PDF of the document. Choosing Copy as Dotloop document allows the document to still be edited, where a PDF would need fields and roles added back to it. Choose Copy as a Dotloop document and click to Loop. On the next screen, Dotloop will ask you which loop to copy the documents to. Choose your listing loop and then the loop folder the documents belong in. In this case, they will need to go into sales processing, listing side. Then click Copy. On the next screen, Dotloop will give you a confirmation that the documents you selected to copy have been copied to the listing loop. Click OK to go back to your loop. You will now see in your listing loop that those documents you copied for your buyers from their buyer purchase loop or their agency representation loop are now in your listing loop. Copied and added documents are added to the top of the loop folder. You can now simply drag and drop the corresponding document over the corresponding placeholder, and the document will replace the placeholder in your loop. If you have not already created a buyer purchase loop for this offer, you can also simply add the required documents to the sales processing folder by selecting Add Document and then Templates. This will allow you to choose the documents you would like to add from the Templates folder. If you go this route, you will add the necessary buyer documents, fill them out, send for signatures, and then present the offer to your seller. We hope this video has been helpful in getting you set up to use your listing loop for dual agency. Of course, if you have any questions, please reach out to your regional manager or agent support at keyrealtyagent.com.